Okra water is all over social media right now. Some say drink okra water every morning for a healthy pregnancy. Well, before you pick up that glass, please listen. Because why okra contains the essential nutrients required during pregnancy, the way you drink it and when you take it can either help your pregnancy thrive or quietly put you at risk. So in this video, I will reveal the science behind okra water, the hidden risk and the truth no one tells you, all from my medical point of view. So stay with me to the end because the last insight will change the way you look at natural remedies, especially during pregnancy. Hello and welcome to Good Life Medics on YouTube, your trusted space for everything real, evidence-based insights on pregnancy, trying to conceive, and everything women's health. If you're new here, my name is MLS Nonye, a medical professional passionate about helping women enjoy healthy pregnancy and a confident motherhood. So let's dive into this okra water because it is not as simple as it seems. So what exactly is okra water? This is simply fresh okra pulse soaked overnight in water. The next morning, the liquid turns slightly thick and slimy, which is the mucilage that is filled with antioxidants and soluble fiber. Now, here is why everyone is obsessed. Firstly, it is said to improve ovulation and fertility, that it supposedly strengthens the uterus. Some even claims that it clears the womb and helps the baby to grow faster. Pause for a second. Most of these claims comes from social media and not from medical research. Let's now separate the real facts from the fiction. Yes, okra does have some amazing, genuine benefits that it offers in pregnancy when used correctly. First of all, it is rich in folate, which helps to reduce the risk of neural tube defect, an abnormality that occurs in a baby whose mother has severe folate deficiency. Yes, okra is rich in folate that can help to reduce this risk. Secondly, it is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that helps to improve the immune function and overall health of the pregnant mother. Thirdly, it is equally rich in fiber, soluble fiber that comes from the mucilage, that is that slimy property of okra, that helps to improve symptoms of constipation and equally helps to reduce bloating in pregnancy. Another is that it can help to reduce blood sugar levels, helping women that are at risk of gestational diabetes. Yes, okra can be part of a healthy pregnancy diet. That is when it is used as a food and not just as one miracle drink. Now let's talk about this. Drinking okra water every day in high quantities can actually do more harm than good. That is because it may interfere with blood sugar levels. It can make your blood glucose levels drop. That is because okra water can interfere with how your body absorbs glucose. It can equally reduce the effectiveness of your medication. That is assuming you are diabetic and you are on medications. Secondly, it may also cause digestive issues because too much mucilage causes stomach gas. It may equally cause stomach ulcers or even diarrhea. Thirdly, it may also cause allergic reaction as some people experience itching and swelling of the lips and tongue, and that is a real warning sign. It may also get contaminated by bacteria because soaking okra pulse in water overnight without putting it in the refrigerator could encourage bacterial growth, which is a real danger in pregnancy because pregnancy comes with reduced immunity. Certain things that ordinarily may not affect you when you're not pregnant might begin to affect you while you are pregnant, which calls for cautiousness when you're pregnant. So while okra is a super vegetable, the method of using it as a detox drink or as a fertility boost is not exactly backed by medical science. Full stop. So how do you enjoy okra while still getting all the amazing benefits? Number one is cook them lightly. Boil or steam them. That way you enjoy your okra while getting rid of any harmful bacteria that can cause you sickness. Secondly, moderation is key. 2 to 3 times per week as part of your meal is perfect. Another way is also combine it smartly with lean protein or with whole grains. That's where you're getting a nutritious diet. Then stay hydrated. Do not rely on okra water to flush out toxins from your body. Your body and your kidneys already does that work perfectly. Also, do not rely on okra water to be a substitute for your prenatal supplement. Yes, it contains folic acid, but do you know if the quantity it contains is good enough to do what folic acid is supposed to do for you? So quickly, let's now bust some of the myths around this okra water. Some say it makes labor easier. There is no scientific backup for that claims, okay? That myth says okra water can make your baby's skin fair or appear smoother. This is just cultural myth. There is no scientific claims to back that up. Another says it boosts fertility instantly. No, fertility is dependent on a complex factor and not a single vegetable. I have a video on 8 proven tips that can help you get pregnant faster. You might want to see that video. It's a powerful guide for you. The link will be in the description. Some of these myths persist because they sound natural and appear harmless. But when it comes to pregnancy, you need real evidence-backed proofs and not just experiments. Here is something many people never think about. Most of all these pregnancy and fertility hacks go viral because they promise instant fix. But in reality, your body thrives on a balance and not quick fixes. So instead of chasing the next big miracle, focus on being hydrated, a balanced nutrition, your prenatal vitamins, and your regular prenatal checkups. They are your real game changers. So here is what I want you to take away from this video. Okra is good, but okra water is not a pregnancy magic potion. Enjoy it as part of your meals and not your medicine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Click on that like button. Share it to anyone you think might need it. And don't forget to subscribe and join Good Life Medics family for more pregnancy, fertility, and women's wellness insights that actually make sense. And I'll see you in my next video. But before I go, I would love to hear from you. Have you tried okra water before? Did you notice any difference? What exactly did it do for you? I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk in the comments. If you've ever wondered how to make okra water the right way for maximum benefit, this quick 5-step guide is for you. Let's make this under just 2 minutes. Step 1. Wash your okra pores under clean running water. You can use a little salt to remove dirt and any form of microorganism that may be on the surface. Step 2. Slice the okra into rings or lengthwise. Slicing them helps to release more nutrients and that thick gel that you see in your okra. Step 3. Place the sliced okra in clean cup or jar. Pour in about 1 cup of drinking water. Make sure the water covers the okra well and cover your lid tightly. Step 4. Allow it to soak overnight inside the refrigerator. During this time, the okra releases all the essential nutrients it contains, like folate, fiber, antioxidants, and all the rest of them I already mentioned in the video. Step 5. In the morning, strain out the okra water, removing all the okra pieces, and that's all. Your okra water is ready. You can add honey or lemon juice to it and enjoy. That is just to enhance the flavor. Drink it just once a day in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.